Hey there, fish enthusiasts! Looking for a fish tank that's as low maintenance as your favorite pair of sneakers? Stick around as I guide you through setting up a simple, hassle-free aquarium. If you're into straightforward, no-nonsense advice, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. You might think smaller is easier, but that's a trap. Opt for at least a 20-gallon tank. Bigger tanks mean more water, which dilutes waste better and gives you more breathing room between cleans. Contrary to popular belief, tiny tanks are way more work. Next up, get yourself a top-notch filter. Go for one that's rated higher than your tank size, like a 30-gallon filter for your 20-gallon tank. Make sure it has mechanical, chemical, and biological filtration. Think sponge, carbon, and ceramic media. That combo keeps your water pristine longer. When it comes to fish, think hardy and low waste. Guppies, platies, and zebra daños are your best buddies. Avoid goldfish. They're basically messy roommates. Aim for a light bio load 1 inch of fish per gallon. Consider adding live plants like Java fern or anubias. They're the unsung heroes of aquariums. They suck up nitrates and keep your tank stable. Plus, they look great with minimal fuss. No fancy lights needed here. Here's a pro tip. Use a plug-in timer for your lights. Set it for 6 to 8 hours a day. Too much light gives you algae. Too little makes plants sulk. A timer keeps things just right without any daily checks. Even with low maintenance, you gotta do a 25% water change every couple of weeks. Use a siphon to vacuum the gravel and top up with dechlorinated water. That's all. No need to dismantle the whole tank. Remember, low maintenance tanks are about smart setups, not neglect. Keep it simple, set it up right, and enjoy your underwater world. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment about your tank setup below. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tips from Fred's No Frills videos. See you next time.